Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans, Wetu TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Remo Stars 1. I'm joined by Umenier Wetiski.
Yeah, Stibos.
Grand Minier.
Grand, right.
I'm not Minier.
Yeah, pesa machita.
Yeah.
Remember.
Slow yonke.
Yeah. Remember one yava. But ayihluphi si mekuvayo omunye umuntu asimreplace but kuba khona omunye ongena indoda le yangena
Yeah, kwamele ingene
ithatha intambo kwibrazi
kwamele ngingaka.
Siyo okay. Sibo akukho kuningi engizokhuluma ngakho today. Focus yami ngizoba kumuntu oyi1 uTebza ne. Yeah, focus yami izoba kuTebza. Kuningi esengikukhulumile ngaye uTebza. But today ifocus njengoba ngithi ngiyabuya ifocus izoba kuTebza. Ngithole ilokhuzana la Sithibo.
Yini nje?
Ngithole inbox from TikTok ne. Good evening coach. I hope you are doing well. I have been hearing a lot about pitch geography lately. But it's a bit confusing for me. If you have some time, could you help clarify it? Maybe a short video will be fantastic. I would really appreciate any guidance you can offer.
Sure.
Le message le ibuya ku uzibiza ngolanga ulanga TikTok and then ngase ngiyamphendula ke ngamsiza la ngimsiza khona. So I video le ya today ibhekiswe mainly kuyena because ubefuna uku understand something with regards to pitch geography.
Sure.
Yeah, so if sibuyela ngokwencwadi if sikhuluma ngegeography first ukuthi sisuke sikhuluma ngani and then geography bathini is the study of the lands ama features and omhlaba yezwa kana keyword la ithini study of the lands manje sikhuluma ngani sikhuluma ngendawo.
Yes.
Okay, asibuyele groundini ke uma sikhuluma ngeground okanye ipitch geography ukuthi sifocusa kuphi. Sometimes Sithibo ebholeni kunamagama aqhamuke bemakhulu.
Sure.
Ube confused ne?
Yeah.
But umusuthi uyachecka ngokwelanguage yasekasi okanye emakhaya indlela bezidlala ngayo ibhola mesikhula. Izinto ezikhona ukuthi manje difference kunani.
Isilungu.
Yes, sekwesilungu sikufaka amanye amagama. Njengoba namanje kusetshenziswa bani upitch geography. Well, if sikhuluma ngegeography njengoba sishilo ukuthi sifocus like mostly kwiland izinto ezenzakalayo emhlabeni, right?
Sure.
Same thing na kwi-pitch. If sithi pitch geography which means sikhuluma ngani? Mostly sikhuluma ngama lines. Ama-lines ane-ground okanye certain areas ane-ground. So like to master lento le we have ama-players njengabomgwenya who understands ukuthi if isikhuluma nge-pitch there are certain areas angamove. Number one, i-ground alimove. So which means if ngithi i-ground alimove, for instance ipali lihleze limile la libekwe khona. Phambi kwepali kunani? There is a D-line. I-D-line as a player you need to know ukuthi le D-line angenjani angeke izimove. Sibe ne-sensor. You need to know as a player ukuthi le D-line ayizokwenza njani ayizokumove. For instance if ngizoshifta kancane umuthi uyacheck amagoli amaningi kaMbatha wonke asukela around i-D-line uwakhahlele enganakanga nokunaka ukuthi engabhekana ukubheka because we understand ukuthi ipali likuphi lila ngokweland ipali lifixwe kuphi lifixed la ngokweland u-D-line awusuki la. Same thing as uTebza umgwena naye he understands ukuthi ngokweground u-D-line awumove. Uyibona ngani lento Sithibo? Uyibona mebeqala ibhola ucheck mostly Sundowns meqala ibhola amanye ama team meqala ibhola isikhathi esiningi kuba i-full back lapha kude wide and then i-center back ishifte ize la kwi-half space bese kuzoba u-goalkeeper kube enye i-center back half space then i-full back yoba wide na. But uma uyacheck i-Sundowns mostly indlela edlala ngayo always umgwena uhleze kuphi la around i-penalty spots mebeqala which means uyasuka from ukudlala lapha e-center shift la izowenza i-center back esingaki i-center back yes 3 and nakhona i-pressure it's easier for him ukuthi attract i-pressure because he understands in pitch geography. He understands lapha ukuthi okay njengoba ngila always kuna someone ozobe ngipressile kuphi la ngemuva. He understands ukuthi uma ngila kwi penalty spot kumele ngenze njani. Always kumele ngidlale ini, ngiyalinoka ngidlala i1, ngiyashifta ngivula kuphi ngivele spacing. Namagoli akhe amaningi umuthi yawa-check. Ahleze eqhamuka kuphi lama shots lawa ahleze washaya. Ahleze eqhamuka around the line because he understands ukuthi i-pitch ayenze njani, ayimove.
Yes.
Check ifocus yakho nje amagemini amaningi uma edlala. Ucheck ukuthi uhlezi kwi-build up ibhola liqala kanjani. Same thing as i-center. Remember hleze ngitshela ukuthi e-center uma udlala as i-midfielder kufana ukuthi u-driver wemoto. So he also understands. Leyo nto ukuze u-understand ukuthi u-driver wemoto, u-understanda ngani? Ngokuthi kungasuke e-center because le ring le se-center ayizukwenza njani, ayizukumuva. So when if umove uyishiya nobani. You need to understand ini pitch geography as well as ama-lines la we-ground kanjani awamove. So uyabona lezi zinto lezi, remember ngithe ngokwe-language yasekasi izinto esizaziyo but ngokolimo olunjani oludeep asinjani asilwazi. Ubona ngokuthi le area umkona hleze receiver akuyona le around the penalty spots if be build up la ekasi sithini sithi hey danger zone. If kunomuntu oza man coming danger zone, yabo izinto esijwayele lezo but ngokolimo deep lo professional level lo nto leyo sibiza ngokuthi it's a pitch geography. As a player you need to understand la uma areas so that uzoba different from amanye ama player. Umkwena uhleze enza into eyi-1 igame negame and I'm happy ukuthi Sundowns kunamanye ama player ewagrumayo adlala exactly njengomkwena. Ubani lo it's no intwana lezi edlala kwi development.
Okay.
Yeah, it's le yenye idlala national team under 20 Humlimo Kekana. Uyayimasterisha na i-pitch geography. You understand ukuthi okay I need to be here if ngikule line 90 kumele ngiyenze and then le enye I think it's Kamuhelo Marilate. I think idlala ile under 17 i-national team izoya kwi World Cup manje. Umuthi wa-check lama play uKamo no Kekana Humlimo Kekana exactly lento yenzobana yenziwa umkwena, which means kwi Sundowns ikhona i-progression ukuthi if uTebs esuka nazi intwana siyayiphusha siletha kuphi siyisa phezulu. Pitch geography. Thank you Sibuso.
Awukhulumi nge-Pirates.
Angikhulumi ngento engingayibukanga. Ubonile wena i-Pirates? Ubonile i-Pirates idlala la?
Ubonile result.
Besibukani la?
Sundowns.
Ma wangibuza i-Pirates. Ngibonile mina i-Pirates idlala.
Wavalia, fade.